Hello guys, today we are unboxing blind bags but food. Okay, now we start with this is the blind bag. Okay, first blind bag one. So this is blind bag one. Look, you can see that one full blind bag, so we can get anything here. So we cannot choose, but anything there. I just want everything because that's why I decided to place all my favorite snack. Okay, so look for anything. I've got my scissors, all there. I got my sister. This is my sister, very small. So we cut it. Let's cut it. We're gonna cut it there. Then we got this is the better one. Okay, we got everything. No, it's we don't need to read this. It's cheap. Okay, it's cheap. Let's look at this. Look, it's cheap and awesome. Look at this crazy thing. This is very crazy. I know because I make this. Definitely make this. I definitely super love this. Okay, I super love this. You all know I definitely love this. Okay, I definitely love this. And I definitely love this. Phone number one is out. Okay, this is what we got. Let's put on this bag. And you got let's put back and close it there. So let's look for the second one. This is the second one. You can see there's a little two in here. I definitely put there in the two. Well, let's open it. And this is the same thing. Can't get anything. So never mind. Let's never open it. Let's open. Wait, it's never the wrong way. That one is never the right side. Let's open. Let's get a new got. And we got uncommon. Uncommon pop. Look, it's uncommon pop. Pop. It's pop. Pop. You know pop. This is pop. Look. Never not squeezing it. Okay. It's okay because I definitely work hard on it. Don't worry. It's never very squishy though. Look, do you see that tape? Because I work hard on it. And this is number two that we got. This is number two. So this is pop. Let's pull back on. Let's put the full pop back and close it. And let's look for number three. Where's number three at? This is not three. Oh, this is three. Look, this is number three. You can see there's three on it. This is food number three. You can pick anything there. There's pop, Dorito, gummy bear, gummy monkey. So let's open it. Okay, let's open it. Let's open number three with my sister. Not sister. Okay, that's kinda cringe. Okay, let's open it. I can't open yet. So let's do this. And then you got what we got. Oh, we got a gummy bear. Nice, we got a gummy bear. Look, we got a gummy bear. Okay, we got a gummy bear. Look, got a gummy bear. Gummy bear. So let's check what is it. Oh, it's not. It's no, look. Oh my god, it's so squishy. Oh my god, I don't think it's so squishy. So this is gummy bear that we got. This is definitely so squishy. Okay? Don't mind me because this is all the squishy thing we got. It's definitely a gummy bear. So let's pull it. If we hit, if wait a minute, okay, if we, I don't know what to say, okay, because I'm just videoing, put that in, if we hit 1K subscriber, I will paste the bill. Yeah, I'm not lying, I will paste the bill. If we hit 1K, I will paste the bill. So close that, and let's find the 5. Don't worry, it's for you. This is the 4 one. So we're doing this because it's happened even. So let's cut it up. Hindi ko why I'm cutting like this because I'm definitely okay. Already see the look at what we got. Big. Got Dorito! We got Dorito! Yay! So we can get Dorito out of here. There. Dorito is so good. Oh, it's squishy too. Nice. We definitely got this. You can definitely order my stock. So comment below if you want to order this. Comment below what should I open next. Dorito or the other food that we got. So this is really Dorito, right? And that is so squishy. So let's put it on. Let's put it back. Wait a minute. It's definitely not. It's definitely stuck. Yes. Never put in. Oh, there's nothing in here. So maybe Dorito will happy with this. So let's. Because it's not never putting inside. Look, it's never so hard. Look, it's never put inside now. Wow. You know, my favorite to eat is definitely all. I definitely decided to put this. This is my favorite snack, so I definitely forgot to put the yogurt. Okay, let's put all of this. You can see it. So, bye-bye, Dorito. The last thing is number 5. So you can see we can open it because it's never look it's so squishy. I don't know what is the inside of it. Then you see I opened this up. Oh, I never open this up. So let's open this up. So let's take what I got. Oh my god, I get perfect the wrong thing. Okay. Then the yogurt is definitely on this look. And I can definitely see the yogurt. You can see, okay. Oh my god. What we got is, wait, I don't know what we got. Okay. Just comment below what we got. And we got is gummy worm. Yay! Gummy worm. Look, gummy worm. It's leopard and rare. It's not rare. It's legendary. I definitely love gummy worm, so I put it legendary. This is why I definitely put on it. So let's take out the gummy worm out. My god, look. It's so squishy though. I definitely love it. this is my favorite food. So this is what we got. So this is the one. So let's put it out. Let's put in. And let's put we got the water. We don't forget that. And this is the permit we got. Okay. The first. This is the first. This is the first. The peri we got chip. So this is the second, and we got the pop, northern pop, and the third we got and the third we got my favorite thing. This is the third, okay? Not mine with I do. I definitely got the rear. So let's put it there. And the fourth. Don't worry, this is the very my favorite thing that uncommon Dorito. So this is the last one, the number 5. What I got is the gummy worm. So this is what I got. Comment what should I open. So this is what I got. So many, right? And then we switch all of them. So comment below what should I open next. I will definitely comment, okay? What should I open next? Okay guys, this is all today. We definitely got this, my favorite thing. This is all we got. There, so this is all we got. And guys, see you later. Bye bye. This is the end of the video, okay? Goodbye. I hope you enjoy this. Goodbye.